Well, the aviation industry is facing a growing shortage of aircraft technicians as air travel demand continues to rise. Experts warn the industry could be short tens of thousands of workers in the years ahead. Well, it may come as a surprise, especially considering many of these jobs do not require a four-year degree. And get this, they can pay well into the six figures. But NewsNation's Mills Hayes is live for us at the Aviation Institute of Maintenance in Chicago with this story for us. And Mills, what's driving this shortage here, and what's being done to try to attract this next generation of technicians?
Right, Anna. Well, there are a lot of factors that are driving this shortage. And in fact, flight delays and cancellations could get worse if this shortage continues of these mechanics who help keep these planes running. And behind me, you can actually see a plane that has been painted to look like a Tuskegee Airman plane. Those were the group of all-black pilots that flew during World War II. These students here get to learn how to test the engines on planes like this. And this is really important because of how bad the shortage is right now, and we are really seeing it for a lot of reasons. But in the next year, the U.S. could see a shortage of nearly 7,000 aviation mechanics, and it could get worse. The consulting firm Oliver Wyman found that 45,000 technicians will retire in the next decade, leaving a nearly 15% shortfall in supply versus demand for AMT jobs. And there are several factors that have contributed to the decline, including the global financial crisis of 2008 and the COVID-19 pandemic that put incredible strain on the airline industry, causing layoffs, hiring to slow down, and leading some mechanics to retire early. About 40% of aviation maintenance technicians are over 60 years old, according to the Aviation Technician Education Council, meaning that the need for more workers is greater with more retirements expected soon. And to make matters worse, there has also been a shortage of instructors for these aircraft technician programs, particularly because they tend to pay less than the actual mechanic jobs. But that's where AIM comes in. Their 21-month program prepares future technicians for the licensing exams that they need to enter the industry. Many of the professors here at AIM were graduates of the program as well, choosing to leave the workplace to educate the next generation of aviation professionals. And some of the students that we spoke with say that they were really pushed to come on board this program because of the high salary that they could get after it ends.
Who are actually working on the aircraft and stuff has been doing so for the last 50 years. Then, of course, they're up in age, and so need a new team. And this was something I never really even thought about until my uncle told me, like, niece, you should try it. Once I got into the program, I had a newfound respect for the maintenance crews, because I've been on an airplane so many times before, and I never thought about what it takes to keep it up and running.
And airlines are also offering sign-on bonuses anywhere between $10,000 to $25,000. And as for a starting salary, you could start off by making anywhere between $70,000 up to $100,000 when you finish this program.
Yeah, great money without a four-year college degree. Amazing, Mills. Maybe people just need to hear about it. So we're glad that you're mentioning this, because we don't want any more delays and cancellations because of concerns with planes.
We certainly don't.
All right, Mills, thank you.